Good afternoon, class. In today's video presentation, we'll be discussing the population attribution, risk for weight change, and diabetes incidence. This particular method of study is designed as a cohort study, which is described as the distinguished difference between random trials to determine an association between a factor of characteristics and the development of a disease. Instances are plausible in reference to the relationships. From these patterns, association studies are calculated using relative risk of the probability of outcome variable in an exposed risk factor group to the probability of the non-risk factor group. We will also discuss risk factor lists of the disease, public health programs that address some of these factors, and finally conclude with overall prevention measures.